In this video, we will learn how to boost your internet speed by understanding Ethernet cables, identifying faulty connections, and choosing the right cable for your needs.
Are you tired of staring at buffering videos and dealing with laggy online games? It might not be your internet plan that's the problem. It could be your Ethernet cables. Let's find out how to diagnose and fix common cable issues, unlocking the faster speeds you deserve.
Ethernet cables are the unsung heroes quietly powering your home network. They create a direct, wired connection to your router, which is generally faster and more reliable than Wi-Fi.
Imagine downloading huge files in mere minutes, streaming your favorite movies without a single interruption, and enjoying online gaming with zero lag. These are just a few of the amazing real-world benefits you can experience.
Let's dive in and understand the different types of Ethernet cables available. Cat5e and Cat6 are the two most common types you'll likely encounter. Cat5e supports speeds up to 1 gigabit per second, while Cat6 can handle up to 10 gigabits per second over shorter distances. The best choice depends on your specific network needs and devices.
Before you grab any tools, take a moment to visually inspect your Ethernet cables for any obvious signs of damage. Look closely for frayed wires, bent connectors, or cracks in the cable jacket. These physical flaws can lead to signal degradation and connection problems.
A cable tester is an invaluable tool that will quickly become your go-to for diagnosing Ethernet cable issues.
Let's walk through the process of using a Fluke cable tester step by step. First, connect one end of the Ethernet cable to the main unit and the other end to the remote unit. Then, power on the tester and select the appropriate test mode. The tester will run a series of tests and display the results on the screen. A pass result indicates that the cable is functioning correctly. A fail result suggests a problem with the cable, such as a broken wire or a short circuit. If your trusty cable tester indicates a faulty cable, the best and often easiest solution is to simply replace it with a brand new one. You've now learned how to identify different Ethernet cable types, diagnose faulty cables using both visual inspection and cable testers, and replace them when necessary. Congratulations! You now possess the knowledge and practical skills to confidently troubleshoot Ethernet cable issues and optimize your network for significantly faster speed.
Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.